In this video, I'm going to show you how to add MEXC to CoinTracker. Now, the first thing you want to do here within your dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to click on Wallets. And then inside Wallets, you want to go to Add Wallet in the top right. Now here, you want to search for MEXC. There we go. And then you can either do CSV only or use the MEXC Global. I'm going to use this one. And then it's going to prompt you to give your wallet a name. I'm going to leave it like it is. And then over here, it's going to require a CSV file. So as you can see here, you can basically export these from your exchange or wallet, and if you need kind of the guide, you can go ahead and click on here. But essentially, whenever you export it, you just have to import them over here. So I have some sample transactions. I just created like a demo file over here. It's just something completely random, and then I can click on the import button here. It's going to start loading, and whenever that's kind of imported, it's going to start syncing, and it's going to basically add your MEXC to CoinTracker. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.